Hey folks, we haven't been out here since the incident last week. It's been tomorrow will be a week. Joey doesn't know I'm out here. Don't tell her, okay? We're gonna try the sawmill again, even wearing the same gloves. So we're gonna give this a shot. Who knows what'll happen this time? Should be interesting. I'm going to show you a little bit about what happened before the accident, and then we'll pick on up here. Okay, folks? So stay tuned. Well, good morning, folks. Welcome back to the mountain. We got a lot of work to do today. It's been really cold this week, and today it's really nice out. It's like 40 degrees right now, so we're going to be firing up the sawmill, and we're going to go ahead and make some lumber so we can work on the barn. I want to extend the goat stall a little bit, pretty much twice its size, and also put in a door so we don't have to climb over the wall of the stall to get into the goat stall. And I also want to make a lean-to off the back of the barn, so give the goats a place to go outside in the inclement weather, rain or snow or whatever, and also help keep the rain and the wind and the snow out from inside the barn. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the sawmill today. We're going to cut up some lumber so we can get to work. Well, even though everyone's seen a bunch of sawmill videos, apparently people like them, so we're going to go ahead and show you cutting up this log. We're going to do some 2x12, some 2x12, some 2x6s, some 4x4s, some 1x4s for the strapping. Most of this is going to be for the overhang off the back of the goat barn. I think I got enough lumber to do the stall, but we're going to go ahead and cut this log up into what we can. Luckily, we've managed to keep this log out of the dirt so much. It was laying in the dirt, but I never dragged it through anything. We cut it down, we picked it up to move it, and picked it up to bring it over here. So this should be a pretty good one without doing too much damage to my blade. Hydraulic mill would be a lot easier, let me tell you. some metal in here. Alright, so we hit some metal. Don't know how deep it is, but we just aced that blade, I'll know that much. So I'm going to go grab some pliers and we can see, maybe dig this out and get another blade. Okay folks, so the problem is we hit some metal here and then right there, and you can see, I don't know if you, yeah, you can really see the way it bowed down afterwards. So our blade is kind of toast right now. You can see it took the tops of the teeth right off. So I've already started digging it out, so we're going to continue to do that. I guess I can let you guys see what I'm doing here. Don't want to hear much about right tools for the right job. I got the right tools for the job here. So what I'm using, if it works, it's the right tool. So that's all there is to that. So let's go ahead and see if we can dig that out, shall we? Alright, here we go. We got two of them here. This is the first time I've hit metal. This is why people don't like to saw what are called yard trees. Trees that come from your yard, because there's nails and screws and whatnot in them. So this is, for me personally, this is the first time I've hit anything in a log. So good experience, I guess. Destroying a blade, good experience. Okay, it's a little loose. Let's see if we can get it with some pliers, shall we? Okay, it's got threads, whatever it is, so we'll unscrew it. And there it is. So now we'll have to get the other one out too. We'll do it the same way. Just kind of take my trusty screwdriver and we'll knock the wood around it out. So we can grab it. We're going to cut this piece off anyway because that dip is like at least an inch, so we're going to have to cut that out anyway. It's a shame because some really nice wood here. But that's what you get when you do yard trees. Your own yard or someone else's. So we'll go ahead and dig these out and then we'll continue on cutting. So that blade won't be able to be resharpened. I just ruined that blade hitting wood. That's why usually when people saw for other people, like when they go to their house and saw trees on their property, you charge by the hour or by the board foot plus $25 per blade in case you do something like this. So if I was doing someone else's logs right now on their property, this would be $25 charge for them for ruining the blade. Alright, whoops, there goes the hammer. Hopefully we don't need that. Oh, here it comes. Alright, there. So, those are out. I'm going to throw them in my pocket so I don't drop them or anything. We'll pick up these tools. We'll sit you guys back on the tractor. And we'll change out that blade and get going again. So everything looks good so far. Everything's running well. So I don't know what the problem was. It caused me to look at that, but everything seems to be going well now. Cuts are looking good. The wood's looking good. So folks, I don't know what happened last week when I was out there and with the sawmill and why it didn't feel right. When I ran it today, everything was just fine. So I'm not sure what the problem is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is what I was going to show you last week until we had our little accident. So don't forget to keep watching our videos, folks. Share our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell, like our videos, tell everybody, and once again from the mountain, God bless. Peace!